In some situations, you may want to verify what records are being submitted to CalPADS. Excel pivot tables can be a valuable tool to quickly get totals of the records in your file. If your extract files are in Excel format, you should be ready to get started. However, if your files are in a different format such as Caret Delimited or CSV, you will need to import your extract into Excel so that it is separated into columns and has the headers entered into the first row. Please see our other video on importing extracts into Excel if you need help with that process. After opening the extract file, you can start creating the pivot table by clicking on the Insert menu in the ribbon and then clicking the Pivot Table button. Your extract data should be automatically selected, but if it is not, you can manually select it by clicking and dragging from the top left corner of the data, A1, to the bottom right corner of the data. Next, click OK. You will be presented with a list of fields from your file based on your headers. For this example, we will be creating a table of offenses by gender. Because we want to count students, we need to drag a field that contains a unique ID into the values column. The default total method is sum, and we don't want it to add the SSIDs together, so we need to change the setting to count by clicking Value Field Settings, clicking Count, and then clicking OK. Then we need to drag one group that we want to count into the column labels. So we will drag gender. And last, we need to drag the other group that we want to count into the row labels section. So we will drag student offense code. Note that our table has been created on the left. And we see that we have counts of student offenses by gender.